Good morning. Meteorologist Mark Finan here in the home office. It is Friday, February 10th, getting you ready for whatever is in store for the weekend. We are going to start to see some changes in our weather as we go through the day today and into the weekend. Even a little bit of snow that we'll be keeping an eye on, and we may even have some chain controls for a little while. So let's talk about what is going on. Let's start with the satellite, and as you can see, we do have mainly clear skies, a few patches of fog, but it's the area of cloud cover just off the coast. You have one band that goes from San Francisco down to the south, and the next area that's off the north coast. Eventually, that will start to come our way and bring us our chance of rain, but it's really not going to happen until overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. So here's how that looks on our 500 millibar chart. We have this little trough that's off the coast, and it doesn't have a lot of moisture with it, but it does have some cooler air with it, and it will be just enough that we'll see some nuisance showers and a little bit of snow. Let me zoom in on where this is going to be tomorrow morning. As you can see, the low is basically right over San Francisco Bay, and as we head through the day, colder air will be coming in during the day on Saturday, so instead of seeing highs in the 60s like we'll see today, we'll stay in the mid-50s, and this will be touching off some showers. Doesn't look as though we'll see anything unstable, so it doesn't look like we'll see any thunderstorms or anything like that, but it's that low in that position that'll bring us some occasionally unsettled weather. As we get into the day on Sunday, this is actually Monday, Sunday, Monday both look great. That low that we have had will then be over southern Arizona. But it's that next trough to the north that at this point is off the coast of the Pacific Northwest, and as we get into the day on Tuesday and Wednesday, that's where that low digs. It comes right over our area, once again introducing some very cold air that we'll feel around our area Tuesday, Wednesday, and probably into Thursday of next week. So this is the way it looks in the Sierra this morning. As you can see, the roads are just fine. Traveling through the Sierra during the rest of today will be just fine, as well as into the evening. It really won't be until late tonight and maybe tomorrow morning that we'll get into a chain control issue. So this is the way it looks at 7 o'clock this evening on the latest models. This is the North American model. And we'll be dry before then. And as you can see, there's some showers off the Mendocino coast. There are some showers maybe north of Butte County, but it's still dry in the Sierra. And again, this is 7 o'clock this evening. This is first thing on Saturday morning. And yeah, there's some showers in the valley, but maybe more noticeably, you see that snow in the Sierra. And it won't be heavy, but this is when we're going to get our couple of inches of snow. This is when it's likely going to happen during the day Saturday. So we may have some chain controls around for a while. And this is the snow total. And as you can see, it looks very, very light. That's 1 to 2 inches of snow up on the summit. So it really doesn't look like it's going to be very much. But that's the snow forecast total. So let's look down the road, because that next trough I talked about on Tuesday, that will also be relatively dry. But this is from the GFS, the global forecast system, and it shows the snow in the Sierra on Tuesday. Tuesday morning, likely, and in maybe the middle part of the day. Not much, another couple of inches, but what this is the leading edge of the much colder air that'll be coming our way. And again, that's what we're going to be feeling. So chances of rain for the next week are going to be really on the light side. So we have that chance of rain and snow, let's see, late tonight and into Saturday. And we have the next chance on Tuesday. But for the next week to 10 days, that's about it. So it'll be cold, but it won't necessarily be very wet. And we'll be talking about these nuisance showers. So if you really want to talk about when we may get back into some rain, I'll skip ahead, because some of the models are hinting that there could be a change in things later on this month. So let me show you that. This is the way the GFS is showing it right now, but this is out around February 22nd, 23rd, 24th. The models have been hinting at something maybe around the 21st to the 24th. Of course, that's so far out, a lot of things can change between now and then, so we'll see how that plays out. But until then, it does look as though we are going to be basically dry. Some nuisance rain and snow maybe in the area tonight and tomorrow, as well as into the day on Tuesday, but staying rather cool. Staying cool certainly for this time of year through the middle part of next week. we'll keep our eye on what's going to happen maybe around the 21st to 24th. We'll see if the models hold on to that, but it would be nice if we could get some more substantial rain and snow to kind of lock in this great weather season, this great rain season that we've had going on. So your Friday looks pretty good. Sunshine, temperatures in the 60s, a little cooler Saturday. Sunday's going to be great for Super Bowl Sunday. Hope you all have a great weekend. I'll be on KCRA at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11 o'clock tonight with the latest for you. Have a great day.